Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really good. Today is Vlogmas 8 and I'm doing something really interesting. We're going to do a DIY decor. So I am loving this one, a leaf jewelry thing. So this looks like that and I actually did it with a clay. These are super classy and super sturdy. I'm in love with this thing. They are so good. You can actually put jewelry in this and it will add a lot of aesthetics to your table or anywhere you're gonna put it. So let's go see how I did that. Let's go. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Which is your favorite one among those three stuff I did? Comment below. Mine should be actually both of these. I love these. And also, if you happen to try this DIY, don't forget to send me the pictures of this DIY on my Instagram. I will definitely check them and I will love to check them. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.